Today I have the VWoo portable acupressure foot massage mat. And as you can see, it's nice and big. 30 by 18, so gives you plenty of room whether you have large feet, small feet, even can be used legs. Really another great way to use this, but I'm going to give you a close-up look here. These cute little silicone nubs look like little bears. And then throughout the mat, there is 7 of these magnets. Also included with the mat, you have these 2 balls that are good for using in these grooves here with your feet, which I'll show you that. But you can also do things like just use it on different parts of your body. You know, like, let me roll out that kink. I mean, really, really versatile. So this mainly, yes, for the feet and legs, but these can really be used anywhere. But let's take a close-up look on the feet. Now, when you're getting used to this, you might want to try it with socks as you start to just kind of get used to how this feels. Now, what I love about this one is feels good, have seen many of these mats that these are very like hard, sharp plastic. This is such a nice silicone feel. And when you want to go from socks and when you're ready to switch to bare feet, you also can do that very seamlessly. Now, I like to rock around and move a little bit on mine. Some days I use it when I'm working at my desk to really just kind of give me a little bit more energy and keep me a little bit more perked up. I really, really like that about this mat. And I do love these massage balls, especially on my feet. So like I said, you can use them and massage them into other parts of your body, but I really like it like that. And then you can sit down. And I like to just kind of rub my leg back and forth and just kind of give me really good stimulation through the various parts of my body. But my legs, my feet, and like I said, these little balls are super great to use in so many places. So if you are looking for an acupressure mat that is top quality, easy to storage, easy to wash, I think you're really going to love this mat.